Hermias, an ambitious startup company, is working to make this incredible feat a reality. Founded in 2018, Hermias aims to not only match the Concorde's achievements, but to surpass them by developing hypersonic passenger aircraft. Their goal is to create planes that can fly at speeds over Mach 5, or more than 5 times the speed of sound. To put this in perspective, the Concorde's fastest transatlantic flight from New York to London took 2 hours, 52 minutes, and 59 seconds. Hermias plans to cut that time by more than half, offering passengers a mere 90-minute journey across the Atlantic. This would revolutionize international travel, making same-day round trips between continents a possibility.